Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have very thick and very heavy hair, so finding a hair clip that keeps everything out of the way but still looks good doing it has been difficult for me, and that's why I'm really excited about this set of hair clips. This is from Nalodu. It's a 4.3 inch hair claw clip, and what I love about it is that it's easy to use. I can just wrap my hair up and clip it, and it's up and out of my way without any snagging or pulling. They are very easy to use and cute. I like the fact that I got these 4 colors, and I like the colors against my hair. Again, that little bit of style there. It's more than just maybe your average hair clip. It adds a little flair, but also the fact that it holds my heavy, thick hair up and out of the way easily is what's really important to me. It doesn't pull, it's not uncomfortable, and it's effortless. I can just twist my hair and put it up, out of the way, so it's more than just putting it in a bun like I usually do. It's a little dressier. So if you have thick hair like I do and you worry about a hair clip that's going to actually be able to hold your hair comfortably, worry not, because this has been very sturdy for me and comfortable. I think it's got a really pretty design, and I love the different colors that came in the 4-pack that I chose, but at the same time it's holding my hair back effortlessly no matter which way I want to do it, and still adds a little bit of style to the clip. It's got a nice look to it, and it has an incredible amount of hold. So definitely a 5-star review for these clips, and that is my point of view.